Hello! On this tutorial, I'm going to take you through the break time community to make sure you know exactly how to navigate around. The first step is going to breaktime.com. The break time community is a fun, driver-driven community designed exclusively for the professional truck driver. Our hope is for this to be a fun place for drivers to come and spend time connecting with other truck drivers, connecting with RoadPro, and just having some fun. If you have not created an account, click the Create Account button. You will have the option to connect with your email, Facebook, or Twitter. If you choose email, you'll type in your email address and password. Once you do so, this screen will appear. The next step is going to your email to confirm your email address. The email will look just like this, and you'll want to press the Confirm Account button. Once you do, it'll take you back to break time and ask you to fill out some registration fields. If you already have an account, click Login and type in your information. The first thing to do when logged in is check your dashboard for new missions and surveys. You can do this by scrolling through the gray arrows on either side of your screen. If this is your first time logging in, you may need to refresh your page to see missions on your dashboard. You can do this with the circular arrow on the top of your screen. When loading for the first time, it may take a few minutes for all missions to show. We suggest waiting a few minutes and logging in and out to make sure you have all of them on your dashboard. These missions will change over time, so don't be alarmed if the ones you're viewing now are different than the ones shown here. You'll see at the top of your dashboard, Available, In Progress, and Complete. Once you've started a mission but have not completed it, you can find it in your In Progress section. You can scroll through the In Progress section like you do Available with the gray arrows on either side of your screen. We suggest starting with the profiling survey. The survey is designed to help us to get to know you better in order to curate content specific to you. The more we learn about you, the more we're able to show you the content you want to see. To complete a mission or a survey, click the Continue or Get Started button. If you are starting it for the first time, you will need to accept the mission and then follow the steps as instructed. Once you complete the profiling survey, we suggest doing the Refer a Friend mission. You will start this the same with the Continue or Get Started button. For this mission, it will allow us to bring in some of your friends to the break time community through sharing it on your social platform. It will allow you to get rewarded with a free swag bag if you're one of the first 100 people to participate. With missions that offer a free swag item, it will ask you to put in your address. This is so we can ship it to you as soon as possible. Once you've completed filling out that information, it will take you to this mission page. It will instruct you what to do. For this one, it requires sharing to Facebook and gives other options to earn extra points. To connect your social account, click the orange box with the arrow next to the sharing option. This will take you directly to that social platform and allow you to connect. To get out of a mission at any time, click the back arrow keys. Another mission to join is the 2-week discussion. You will see this labeled Break Time Featured Discussion. This will keep you in the running for more swag, as well as make sure you are updated on the latest featured discussions. We will be updating this every 2 weeks with new trucker-related topics. press continue or get started. Accept the mission and type your answer next to driver's discussion. To get there, you can click the orange arrow next to driver's discussion. To type in your response, type in the share your impressions box. Once you have typed at least 70 characters, you'll be able to hit share. Now, what's a discussion, you might ask? Great question. The discussion forum is a key part of the break time community. There are two ways to visit discussions. One is to scroll down to the bottom and click on the latest discussion. Right now, this would be, what does your truck look like? If you click on this discussion, it'll take you directly to that specific one. To get to the driver's discussion forum, click the top right corner 3-bar button. Click on driver's discussion. Once here, you will see a variety of topics with different active discussions to read and interact with other truck drivers. You can click on any of them and start commenting on other truck drivers' posts and sharing your own insight. The driver's discussion is a great place to connect with other truck drivers and also share the knowledge you have with the trucking industry. Once you spend some time on the break time community, we hope it becomes a place you enjoy coming and interacting with other drivers, and of course with RoadPro family of brands. For notifications, you will see a bell at the top of your screen. It will have an orange dot when you have a new notification. To check your profile, click the 3 bars on the top right corner and click on your name. This will give you the ability to see all of your information, including your total amount of points in the history section. We suggest clicking on General Info and making sure you put in a profile picture. This can easily be done by connecting your Facebook profile photo or your Twitter profile photo. If you experience any issues or questions regarding the community, you can go to the bottom of the page and click Contact Us. This will allow you to speak directly to someone from our support team. Thank you for watching and for becoming a member of the Break Time community.